Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to start our program this afternoon. And of course, welcome to Celso and Angel's dinner reception. A round of applause please to everyone for coming. Now from Angel and Celso, thank you so much. And we would like to acknowledge once again, guys, our VIPs, our guests for this afternoon. A round of applause, isang malakas na palakpakan naman. Coming from the National Power Corporation, Mindanao Generation Office Space ng groom and bride natin. Palakpakan nila sa mga kamay! Hey, hey, hey. From Agro 6 and 7 HPPC family! The Pitan family, maraming salamat. Alright? And Practice po to. Practice pa. Nag-practice pa. Pag-wala na hindi ko nag-entrance na rin. Bago nag-import. Bago na rice day, wala nyo gigunitan sila ni ma'am. Oo, pakilang ko sa puntahan. Kami lang sa dinin, pakilang. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the rest of the evening. And of course, acknowledge the presence of our principal sponsors na kasama natin today. Alright, so I would like to request principal sponsor Ninong Nina to please take a stand. Yan, pag natawag yung mga names nyo, pakikaway naman in 3 seconds. Pageant wave naman dyan, okay ha? A round of applause to Engineer Edmundo A. Veloso Jr. and Miss Maria Carmel Veloso. Yan, sige Marina. And we have here Mr. Eric Mabilin and Miss Emmy Grace Mabilin. This event would not be made possible without sa mga parents natin tonight, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, let us all please welcome the parents of the bride. A round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Luel and Joy Maniego. Kaway naman. Okay, wave. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, let us all give them a big round of applause to Mr. Celso Sr. and Mrs. Melly Ilumbari. Palakpakan! Palakpakan naman, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause to our best man, Engineer Nilo A. Manama Jr. and our matron of honor, Gina Rose Orimaco. Pag-rapid stricto mga si Engineer. Stricto ka, maganda makita. Right now, let's meet our groomsman and bridesmaid. Loudest shout, ladies and gentlemen, for Celso and Angel. And right now, let me introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, a round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Celso and Angel Ilbari. Itaas mga kamay, come on. Hey! Sayang, sir. Dapat mo sayang ka na. Come on. Hey! Oy, diyan ka sa iwan na